Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from the top of the Hoff here in the beautiful downtown Boise, Idaho. Happy Friday from all of us here at Socialize Marketing. We hope you guys had a great week. To end our week, we will be talking about the key social media platforms for building your brand presence. Social media is a game changer in the world of marketing because you can reach a large audience just from one post. Social media can be a huge addition to your company, yet some people think that it only reaches younger generations, but that is in fact not true. It hits age ranges from 13 to 80 years old, meaning that you can reach a very large audience by marketing through social media platforms. Here are some of the most popular social media platforms out there: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Pinterest. For more information on social media marketing, make sure to check out all of our social media platforms or go check out our website, getsocialize.com, and we'll see you guys next week. Have a great weekend.